Money, hello Money, how are you? What is Teamcenter and PLM, Product Lifecycle Management? Is Teamcenter in demand? I learned Python, but I got an offer in a company as a Teamcenter trainee, but I'm thinking to join or not. Okay. See, Money, if you understand what is a CRM is a customer relationship management software. In the same manner, Teamcenter is a product lifecycle management software. Okay, what do you mean by a product lifecycle management software? Any company which is developing a product, it can be a car, or it can be a hardware device, or it can be a software, it can be any product in the world. You have a product life cycle management. You have to conceptualize the product. There are ideas around the product. Then you have to go for the design of the product. You have to go for development of the product, testing of the product, and then finally you go for the sales support of the product. So there are so many processes which are involved when you think about the life cycle of a product. Okay, so Teamcenter is a product by Siemens company, and Siemens company have developed this software to help any company who wants to manage their product lifecycle management. Okay, now when you become a Teamcenter developer, you are similar to any kind of a CRM developer or a Salesforce developer, where you have the product which is already there and you may be actually building some extensions for this particular product. It will not be a pure software development role. It will be more of a software consultant role, where you are trying to implement this particular product depending on the client's requirement. Because in some clients cases where you have to integrate this product with other systems, for example, let's say you want to integrate this product, PLM product, with the order management system of the company, then you'll have to write some integration. Then you'll have to write some code that will help you to integrate between this and the other product. Okay, so whatever extensions you have to do, that you will have to do on this particular product. This will not be a pure software development job like a software developer for Python programming. Okay, you said that you have learned Python and you are more interested in Python programming. So this will not be a pure Python developer job. Okay, also I'm not sure what is the base or the core programming language of Teamcenter PLM. According to me, it is going to be C++. Okay, but you have to find out which is the core programming language which is used, and will your skills of Python translate into this development skills. Okay, a lot of products are coming out like PLM or CRM. Okay, or there are no code developer products where the entire system has been built. Okay, and you have to take the parts of the system, assemble it, and make it ready for the client. Okay, PLM will also be such an exercise for a software developer. It may not be a pure software development role that you would like as a Python programmer. Okay, so whether to accept the offer or not, that is completely in your hands. uh, Such offers also give a lot of salary, because it is not easy to find people who are ready to leave software development and get into something like a consultant role. Okay, so you have to think about that, and then you have to decide whether you want to go for this role or not. Is it okay? But you have to check which programming language is used for building this product. And if it is not Python, then there is going to be a learning curve for you for the new programming language. Second thing is, you may not be able to work on a pure software development project where you are writing code at, maybe you are writing server side code, client side code, maybe front end code, You will not be able to do any of those things. Okay, most of the times you'll be writing code which will be around integration of the product with some of the other systems. Is it okay, Money? So you need to carefully talk to the HR team, whoever is talking to you, and you need to find out and try to talk to a technical person who's already on such a project to understand what is the work going to be like. Okay, that will help you. Is it okay, Money?